In this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful AI tools that can help you start an online business from scratch, create content fast, even if you've never done it before, save time, automate your work, and actually start making money online with or without showing your face. And here's the crazy part. I've saved the most powerful combo for last. 7 tools, plus the secret bonus at the end. That's what smart creators are using to build a 24/7 income system that runs on autopilot while they sleep. Most people have no idea this exists, and those who do, they're already making thousands. So don't click away, because if you skip the ending, you might miss the one simple trick that could change your entire online journey. Hit that like button, subscribe to AI Fortune, and comment below. Tell me which tool you're most excited to try, because what you're about to learn could be your turning point. Tool number 1, AI Sidekick, your smart business partner. What if I told you there's a tool that can help you start a business from just an idea? Picture this, a smart, friendly digital partner that builds the whole thing for you. It writes your product descriptions. It builds your store. It plans your ads. It even chats with your customers. This isn't just about convenience. It's about transformation. That feeling of where do I even begin? Gone. You just type in your idea, even something super simple like planner for busy moms, and boom, your business starts building itself right in front of your eyes. It's like having a business coach, a copywriter, a web designer, and a full-time assistant all rolled into one. And guess what? It works 24/7. No breaks, no burnout, just results. Real story. Jessica, a stay-at-home mom from Ohio. She felt stuck, tired, overwhelmed. She had dreams, but no time. Then, she tried AI Sidekick. She launched a digital planner shop on Etsy and made over $1,200 in her first month, all while still taking care of her kids. Can you imagine that confidence boost? The joy of earning from home and still being fully present for your children. That's not just success, that's freedom. Why it matters? AI Sidekick doesn't sound robotic. It talks like a friend, like a human. You say create a self-care planner for moms, and it builds the product, writes the sales copy, and even suggests your ad strategy. Fast, simple, powerful. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a big team. All you need is an idea and a bit of courage. If Jessica could do it from her kitchen table, toddler in one arm, you can too. This isn't the future. This is now, and it's waiting for you. Tool number 2, durable.co. Build a website in 60 seconds. Let me ask you this. Do you want your own website, but feel totally lost? Overwhelmed? Not techie enough? Breathe easy, because durable.co has your back. This tool builds a complete website in under 1 minute. You just type in what kind of business you want, and like magic, it creates everything. We're talking homepage, services page, contact info, a strong call to action, all done for you instantly. No coding, no boring templates, no hours wasted dragging blocks around. Just one idea, and boom, a clean, modern, professional website you'll actually be proud of. Real story. Mark, a freelance video guy. He was stuck. He knew he needed a website, but every time he tried, the cost, the tech, the time, it just felt like too much. Then, he found Durable. He typed in video editing services, and that same afternoon, his website was live. Now here's the crazy part. That same week, Mark landed 4 new clients. His site didn't just sit there, it worked for him. It became his first impression, his silent salesperson, his online identity. And yeah, it changed everything. Why it's amazing. No domain, no logo, no problem. Durable handles it all. Logo, branding, mobile ready. You don't need to hire expensive designers. You don't need to wait weeks. You don't even need experience. With Durable, you go from I have an idea to check out my new website before your coffee even cools down. And yes, it's free to get started. No strings, just a powerful tool to help you show up like a pro. So whether you're a freelancer, coach, artist, or just someone with a big dream, this is your moment. Stop waiting. Start showing up. Durable makes it effortless. And you make it happen. Tool number 3. Opus Clip. Go viral without showing your face. Let me guess. You got a blog, a podcast, maybe hours of great content just sitting there. But barely anyone's seen it, right? That's where Opus Clip comes in, and it's a game changer. This tool takes your long-form content and slices it into short, scroll-stopping, viral-ready clips for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, automatically. You don't lift a finger. You don't film. You don't edit. You just upload what you already have, and boom. Opus Clip finds the best parts of your content and turns them into attention-grabbing gold. It adds subtitles, jump cuts, dynamic layouts, all designed to hook viewers in the first 3 seconds and keep them watching. Real story. Carlos, a quiet school teacher, passionate about personal growth, had a blog full of deep, powerful insights. But no one was reading it. No comments. No followers. He felt invisible online. Then, he found Opus Clip. He uploaded his blog recordings, and just like that, his TikTok blew up. 20,000 followers in under 3 weeks. Not because he danced on camera, not because he showed his face, but because his words finally got the spotlight they deserved. Why it's a game changer? No camera, no editing skills, no problem. You don't have to be a content creator. You don't have to feel camera ready. You just need something to say, and Opus Clip helps the world hear it. Whether you're shy, busy, or just tired of complicated tools, this is your golden shortcut. It's fast, it's easy, and most importantly, it works. So if you're ready to get eyeballs, engagement, growth, without the overwhelm, Opus Clip is for you. Because the world needs your voice, even if you're not showing your face. Tool number 4. ChatGPT. GPT. 4.0 Write, sell, teach, and earn. You've probably heard of ChatGPT before, but GPT 4.0, this version, it's on a whole new level. This isn't just some fancy chatbot. It's your personal writer, coach, marketer, idea machine, and business partner, all rolled into one smart tool. Want to write a blog post, but feel stuck? Boom! GPT 4.0's got you. Launching a course, but don't know where to start? Done. Lesson plan included. Need help writing emails, product descriptions, social captions, even a full sales page? Just say the word, and it's done in seconds. And here's the best part. It doesn't sound like some stiff robot. It learns your tone, your goals, your message, and helps you sound like you, only better. Real story. Amy, a passionate fitness coach, was drowning in to-do lists. She had the knowledge, the energy, but no time to organize it into something people could buy. Then she met GPT 4.0. She used it to create a 30-day wellness challenge, complete with daily emails, helpful tips, and quick workouts. The result? Her email list exploded from 300 to 4,500 people, and she started selling her course immediately. That's not just growth. That's momentum. That's impact, because it removes the two things that stop most people. Writer's block, overwhelm, no more blank screens, no more endless Googling, no more stressing about how to sound professional. You just talk or type. And GPT 4.0 gives you polished, powerful content that sounds like it came straight from your heart, only cleaner and faster. Whether you're trying to sell, teach, coach, or just create something meaningful online, this is your shortcut. If Amy did it, starting from zero, you can too. This isn't just about content. This is about turning your ideas into income. Tool number 5, Canva AI. Design like a pro, even if you're not one. Let's be real for a second. Not everyone's a designer. Not everyone knows what font to use, or what colors pop, or how to make graphics that actually stand out. And that's okay, because with Canva AI, you don't have to be a designer. Whether it's Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, digital flyers, product ads, even course graphics, Canva AI helps you create stunning, scroll-stopping visuals just by typing what you want. No confusing software. No hours watching tutorials. You type a few words, and Canva AI brings it to life. Vibrant quote post, minimalist YouTube thumbnail, promo banner for your product launch. Done. Real story. Darren, a young entrepreneur trying to break into drop shipping, had decent products, but his ads, they looked cheap, unprofessional, forgettable. Then he gave Canva AI a shot. Within weeks, he started creating clean, bold, high-converting designs. The result? His sales jumped from $0 to over $8,000 per month in just 60 days. That's not just design. That's a complete transformation. Why it's perfect for beginners. Canva AI is so simple. It honestly feels like building with Legos. Drag this, drop that, change the font, add some sparkle. Click done. You get templates that work, tools that feel fun, and results that make people stop scrolling. Even if you've never designed anything in your life, Canva AI makes you feel like a pro. In today's world, attention is everything, and this tool helps you stand out fast. If Darren could flip his entire business with better visuals, you can too. No stress, no design degree, just creativity made simple. Tool number 6, OpenAI Operator, your web task automation agent. Now imagine this. You have a virtual assistant, not a person, but an AI that actually uses the web for you. It clicks buttons, feeds forms, books appointments, places orders, and it does it automatically. That's what OpenAI Operator does. And trust me, it's like having a super intern that never sleeps. Launched in 2025, this tool works right inside your browser. You give it a task, and it does everything step by step like a real human would. Except faster, cleaner, more accurate. No more copy-pasting between tabs. No more switching apps or juggling 6 tools at once. You just say, book a Zoom call, order my print supplies, download my CRM reports. An Operator handles every single step. Real story. When Operator first launched in February 2025, a group of US users gave it a try. They had it book meetings, fill expense forms, even handle client onboarding. Tasks that used to take hours, now done in minutes, with zero burnout, no typos, no follow-ups. It was like they'd finally hired help without hiring anyone. Why it's a lifesaver? Because this isn't just smart, it's autonomous. It understands your instructions. It completes full web workflows. It even pauses to ask for confirmation, if needed. Want to refill your ad budget automatically? Need to pull dashboard data every Friday? Dreading manual web tasks? Operator's already on it. This isn't the kind of AI that talks. This is the kind that ACTS. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, this is the kind of tool that makes it real. Operator gives you back time, so you can focus on what really matters. Scaling, creating, or just living. Tool number 7, Make.com. Set it, forget it, get paid. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, and while you were sleeping, your business was working. Emails? Sent. Payments? Processed. Leads? Organized. Appointments? Booked. And you didn't lift a finger. That's what Make.com does. It's the ultimate automation tool. It connects all your favorite apps, Google Sheets, Gmail, Calendly, Stripe, Notion, Shopify, you name it. And it makes them talk to each other. So when someone fills out a form on your site, Make.com can automatically add them to your email list. Send them a welcome message. Even book a discovery call without you touching a thing. Real story. Tasha, a busy course creator and a mom of 2, was juggling everything. Emails, scheduling, customer support. She was exhausted and ready to quit. Then she found Make.com. She set up just a few simple workflows, and suddenly she was saving 20 hours a week. That's nearly 3 full workdays back in her hands. She used that time to grow her course library, launch a new product, and most importantly, be present with her kids. That's not just automation. That's freedom. Why it's a lifesaver? Because Make.com isn't just about doing things faster. It's about doing less and earning more. It takes the boring stuff off your plate so you can focus on the big picture, creating, scaling, resting, living. And it's drag and drop simple. No tech headaches. Once it's set, it just works. Every minute, every hour, like an invisible team hustling behind the scenes. Tasha got her life back. And if she can do it, juggling motherhood and business? You can too. Bonus, ChatGPT plus Make.com equals 24/7 money machine. All right, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Here's the bonus strategy one promised. And trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine this. You connect ChatGPT with Make.com, and boom, you've just built a fully automated AI system that runs your business 24/7. Here's what happens. Someone visits your site. They ask a question. ChatGPT replies instantly. They're interested? Make.com tags them, adds them to your CRM, sends a follow-up email, books a call, even closes the sale. And you're at the gym, on a walk, sleeping, watching Netflix. Meanwhile, your system is working. No burnout, no chasing leads, just consistent, effortless income. It's the closest thing to cloning yourself without the sci-fi. You're building a funnel that never shuts down, never takes breaks, and keeps growing while you live your life. The best part? You don't need to be tech savvy. These tools are simple. The integrations are drag and drop. And the ROI? Insane. This is how smart entrepreneurs are building freedom. This is how ordinary people are creating extraordinary lives. Let's recap these life-changing tools. 1. AI's sidekick. Build a business from nothing. 2. Durable.co. Launch your website in 1 minute. 3. Opus Clip. Go viral without showing your face. 4. ChatGPT GPT 4.0. Write, sell, teach, and grow faster. 5. Canva AI. Design like a pro. No experience needed. 6. OpenAI Operator. Automate anything online. 7. Make.com. Set it, forget it, and get paid. 8. Bonus. Combine ChatGPT plus Make.com for a 24/7 income machine. Friend, if you've been feeling stuck, wondering when it'll be your turn to earn online, this is your sign. These tools are real, they're proven, and they're waiting for someone just like you, someone ready to take action. So go ahead, hit that like button, comment which tool you're most excited to try, and subscribe to AI Fortune, because this is just the beginning. Your time is now. Let's build your future together.